How to fix WhatsApp OTP receiving problem solved. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video, how I've told you I will do it. So you have to just see. So guys, before we start in this video, I want to show you something that if you are new in this video, then please hit a like and subscribe this to the channel. So guys, here we go. So for that, at first you have to go in your settings, and after that you have to just search for your app management, and after that you have to search for your WhatsApp. um After coming here, please, you can see this loading symbols. So after that you have to go for WhatsApp. It's loading and you can click it here for WhatsApp. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go in the storage users and you have to clear RTG and clear data. Okay, after doing that, both you have to come in the permissions and you have to make allow in every permissions, not denied. Okay guys, you have to make allow in everything. So after doing that, you have to come back in and you have to click for force stop. Okay, so after clicking force stop, you have to come back in the settings. Okay, and you have to go in the date and time. Okay, so after coming here, what you have to do, you have to just click here, set automatically. You have to just put it off and on. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, just come back. You have to just come back and you have to reset your mobile. Okay, so I will show you. So guys, you have to just reset your mobile. Okay guys,